fail. Guys, so today's video series, you guys see the good, you guys don't see, I don't want to say the bad, but the things we're a business, we have to go back, we have to touch up things. So kind of wanted to just take you guys along on that journey and show you the ins and outs of the daily operations of Elite Floor Care, that it's not just, you know, we make mistakes, we have to go back, we have to fix it, but that's all that matters, we go back and fix it. So today, we're going back out to a client's house in Maryville, so wanted you guys to come along and see what that looks like, us doing a touch-up for a client. Just a few spots that we, didn't come out the way that we or the client wanted, so we're headed back out to take care of it. So we're headed to Home Depot right now to grab a few supplies and materials and, get it taken care of. We'll see you guys in the next clip. There she is, right there. That's where we're going. Okay guys, so to quickly explain to you what we're doing here, why we had to come back. This was a pre-finished floor that had a very high gloss shine on it. We dropped it down from a high gloss to a matte sheen, and you have to roll this product on thin or it won't lay right, it won't lay flat. You'll have areas that'll have a really high build. But in doing that, with us dropping it down to such a drastic sheen change, there were still areas that you could see that high gloss shining through. So that's why we had to come back through and recoat again to take care of those areas that were still shining through. In the end, our client was very happy with it. And again, very happy that we stand behind our work. You know, this is the third time that we ended up going out there because he found a few more planks. But we took this as one of those learning opportunities. Anytime we now have a high gloss and we drop it down to a matte sheen, we're automatically going to do 2 coats. So we take everything as a learning opportunity and, find new ways that are going to allow us to better serve our clients in the future. All right, guys. So that wraps up the end of this video log series for that job. In our basement right now, guys, is getting completely remodeled, but you guys can see, it came out really good. Client was happy. He was pleased with it. I told him if he found any more incidents to give us a call. But guys, one of those examples of we're human, we make mistakes, we make errors, we do mess up. That's why we warranty all of the work that we do, is because no matter what, if there's something that is due to technician error on our end, we are going to come back, we are going to make it right. And I think that's what matters more than anything. Our client's happy with it. Job is taken care of, another job well done. And real quick, wanted to share with you guys, just because super excited, got these new hoodies finally in, new shirts. Guys, we are, rebranded across the entirety of the website, navy blue, gold, white with a new, love it, love it, love it. The American flag on the arm, guys, super, super happy with that. Anyway, guys, for all of those of you who have subscribed to the channel, appreciate you guys so much. All the questions that you guys give, we try and answer and give away as much knowledge, advice, and information as possible. For those of you that are running a home service-based business, love to see more insights, tips, sales, training, all of that. Check the comments below. We have a private Facebook group dedicated to home service professionals called Home Service Mastery. Would love to have you guys in there, build value, build relationships, network, and more. So anyway, appreciate you guys. As always, I'll see you in the next one.